Hi everyone, this spring I did a video on the Wild Wonder Celebrity Tomatoes. What I did was I purchased these tomatoes from one of our local grocery stores and sliced them up, if you recall from the video, and planted the slices. And the idea of the video was to get tomatoes from tomatoes. Now these were some of Raluca's favorite tomatoes. She loved the taste of them, so I said we can't find the seeds, let's go ahead and grow them. So we sliced them, and yes, we planted them. Now recently I got a comment on this video saying, I've seen this type thing done before, but no one ever shows what happens once they've grown. So can you do a video showing the end result? And that's what I'm going to do with this video. I wanted to go back and show you the beginning result. Here you can see the groupings of the tomatoes where I planted each one of the slices. It's amazing how you can see them all growing together where all the seeds were. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the plants as of how they are now. Matter of fact, you'll see they're pretty big, and I'm also going to show you afterwards one of the fully grown tomatoes that just turned almost red, but I wanted to pick it a little earlier because I wanted to show it to you in today's video. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what's happened. One of them is right here, this one here. Had someone asking if I actually grew any tomatoes from them. Well, let's take a look. Right over here is a whole group of them. They're still kind of a young plant, and you can see all of those going up with the plant. There's more. That plant is actually, see, I'm almost 6 feet tall. It comes up to my neck, so that plant, the one in the middle there, is about 5 feet tall. And then the other one over there, that's about actually 6.5 feet tall. And you can see, let's see how it's the same kind right there. And you can see all those, whole group of them over there. Some more growing right over here. A whole group of them right over here. Going up a little bit more. A whole mess of them over here. Wow, so I'm going to have a lot of tomatoes more over here. And yeah, there's more on the other side, so they're kind of everywhere. So, is growing tomatoes from tomatoes successful? You can see it sure is. Give it a try. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.